Namaskar, welcome back to Sumikaya Kalpam. Today I am going to share it a few very general tips that will help you to get a very healthy, lovely, glowing skin during the winter. Generally we don't like to come out from the blanket or sweater during the winter, but I would like to request all of you to give yourself at least 10 to 15 minutes every day, or else you can give 5 to 7 minutes to get a very healthy skin. For that, nothing new you have to do. You have to go through this regular skincare routine, that is we are called cleansing, moisturizing and toning, or you can say cleansing, nourishing and toning, CNT. So first step is to go for cleansing. So here I am not going to advise you to adopt any market product that is available, because all the market products having some chemicals, preservatives that has a side effect, and all the chemical products having a drying impact. Though it gives a instant glow to our skin, but I would like to request all of you to go through a natural ingredients that will give you a very healthy, shiny, lovely skin during this winter. The first step is cleansing. Before going to bed, don't forget to go for cleansing. Avoid all type of soap and face wash. Instead of that, if you have a normal to dry skin, you can use raw milk as a cleanser. So take 1 tablespoon of raw milk, that apply that raw milk over your skin and massage it in an upward and outward direction for 3 to 4 minutes. Then take a cotton, use lukewarm water. Remember, you need to use lukewarm water to wipe out that raw milk, which help to remove all the dirt which accumulated in our skin and all that makeup we are using throughout the day. So little bit work you need to do to take care of your skin. After cleansing, one more thing, if you having a oily skin, instead of raw milk you can use yogurt. Take 1 tablespoon of yogurt, apply in upward and outward direction, then with the help of a damp cotton, by using lukewarm water, wipe out that cleanser or the yogurt and raw milk. And don't go for tissues, especially dry tissues that will make your skin more dry. Use damp cotton to remove that cleanser. Next step is to go for exfoliation or scrubbing. Remember, how healthy skin need 10 to 7 days for exfoliation. So in winter, if you want to go for exfoliation or scrubbing, go for 7 days. Once in a 7 days you can go for exfoliation or scrubbing. For scrubbing, already I have a preparation of scrubber. How to prepare that scrubber, already I have a video in my channel. Go through that link and prepare that scrubber. The best way to prepare a scrubber is to mix all type of cereals and pulses together in equal quantity. Wash it thoroughly, clean it thoroughly, dry it, then grind it in small granules. That granule is very effective to remove all type of dead cells from the facial skin and whole body skin. Again, I wish to repeat, if you are having a dry to normal skin, you can use that scrubber along with honey and raw milk. If you having a oily skin, you can use yogurt, tomato juice along with that scrubber. You can add honey for all type of skin. Honey is good for all type of skin, and scrub your skin for 3 to 4 minutes, especially facial skin, in a very gentle smooth massage technique. Then after, wipe that scrubber by help of a damp, soft, hanky sized towel. Again, I would like to repeat, don't go for dry tissues, because that will make your skin more dry. Use only a soft hanky sized towel, that is very effective. After scrubbing and exfoliation, the next step is moisturizing or nourishing. This is a very important technique and step, the third step. And we need to understand what is the skin type, what is the requirement of our skin. Until unless we understand the skin, it is very difficult to choose the type of medium which will nourish our skin, which will provide some nutrition to the skin. No doubt our diet plays an important role to nourish the skin surface. After that, we need a perfect medium. So we can use almond oil, olive oil, then we can use honey, lemon juice, potato juice, and don't forget to add turmeric. So almond and olive oil, both are very good. They are helping in they both are anti-aging properties, anti-inflammatory properties. Almond is very good in keeping your skin smooth. No need to add any extra vitamin E, because almond itself containing vitamin E. Olive oil having nano omega 3, and this omega 3 and nano particles will penetrate our skin surface very easily. Then honey is a natural moisturizer, and it also having anti-inflammatory properties. It is a natural bleach also, so it will lighten your skin. Both olive, almond and honey can lighten your skin, maintain the elasticity of the skin. Then we can go through lemon is citric acid. That citric acid is very good for production of collagen. That collagen is a special kind of protein cell. It's a cell which maintains the elasticity and youthness of the skin. Also, it's giving an instant glow and maintain the youthness of the skin. So don't forget to add lemon juice in your massage oil. Next is turmeric. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory property. Curcumin is present in turmeric. It acts as an anti-inflammations and protect our skin from all type of infections. So you can add in your pack, in your mask, in your massage cream, and also you can drink it with lukewarm water, or we can add in kadha, so that it will help you, protect you from any type of infections. Then milk and curd also plays an important role for your moisturizing your skin. All these ingredients you have to take 1/4 teaspoon. Add all this, and turmeric 1/5 teaspoon. Add it properly. Then massage over your skin for about 5 to 7 minutes in an opened outward direction. And if you wish, you can add tomato juice for oily skin, and potato juice, onion juice, both having antioxidant. Especially onion juice is antioxidant property. It helps our skin from inflammations and reduces the blemishes, the patches, dark circles. So don't forget to add all these ingredients and massage your skin for 5 to 7 minutes. After that, leave it for 20 to minimum 20 minutes. The observing ability of our skin is 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, as it is the winter season, no need of pack. If you think that you need a pack, then immediately after massaging you can go for a very good pack. Today I am going to share with you a very effective pack that is suitable for all type of skin. So you can take oatmeal. So oats are available in all the shopping malls. Even if you can get it in online also, online is also very easily available. So take 1 tablespoon of oat. Before that, you need to grind it and make a paste powder of oats. So take 1 tablespoon of oat. If you are having a dry to oil normal skin, mix of 1 tablespoon of raw milk. Then add potato juice, 1/2 tablespoon, or then add the honey, 1/2 teaspoon. Then 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice. Make it a paste and apply over the skin except the eyes and lips. Leave for about 20 minutes. After that, remove that pack by help of a damp, soft, hanky sized towel. And after that, you can go for cold compression. Although it is a winter season, we don't like to go for cold compression. So if you don't like to go for cold compression, you can use cucumber juice. After using cucumber juice, get the aloe vera that is available in your garden. Use that aloe vera gel throughout the face and around the eyes and lip. You can use mixture of almond and olive oil. Give a gentle massage around the eyes from inner corner to outer and outer corner to inner corner. This is also already I explained in one of my video. Please go through that and do regularly. If you having oily skin, then instead of raw milk, for the face pack you can add yogurt. Honey is suitable for all type of skin, and lemon juice. And for reducing the blemishes, dark circles, you can add tomato juice and potato juice. Apply over the oily skin, leave it for 15 minutes. Then again, same procedure, use a soft hanky sized towel and wipe it out. Pack should be wipe it out. If you don't go for the cold compression, you can use rose water as a toner, or you can use again cucumber juice as a toner. After that, you don't forget to use aloe vera gel, natural aloe vera that is available in your garden, throughout the face and neck. and olive and almond eye for all type of skin around the eyes and lips. Leave it throughout the night and you will find a very nice, soft, healthy, glowing skin at the morning. Believe me, it will definitely work. Along with this skincare routine, don't forget to take a balanced diet. Nowadays, so many vegetables and fruits are available in the market. So get that vegetables and fruits, consume adequate amount of fruit salad and vegetable salads. No matter who you are, a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, you need to consume all these vegetables and fruit in adequate amount to get all type of nutrition. And don't forget to take sufficient amount of water, at least 10 to 12 glasses of water. I know that no one like to drink water during winter, so warm it. Take small amount of lukewarm water in small interval. That is very effective to hydrate your skin. And check out your stress. If you're having stress issue, go for meditation and give yourself auto suggestion that I will not take stress. Every problem having solution. Believe me friends, every problem having solution. No need to take the stress. Be happy, be cheerful and take care of yourself. So from today onwards, do start this practice. Write me down how much it is effective for you. This is a very effective skincare routine. For such type of video, don't hesitate to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned with Sumi Kayakalpam. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, keep smiling. See you soon. Namaskar.